Racing just is started. We are Burlai High. Break quickly to start rushing upon the outside is Band of Halo. Down on the inside now is Speak Easy. Abel Iloco comes next, then followed now by Double Strike in the middle portion. Super Vista. And going along for the first turn, we have Band of Halo leads by Link and Ihap. Right behind in second is Speak Easy. Then 3 lengths back in third comes Abel Iloco. Moving upon the outside is Super Vista. The next online now is Fly High. Alongside comes Double Strike. Then followed now by Waki's Friend. Back to the leader, we have Band of Halo enjoying a length. Moving up now on the outside is Speak Easy. Abel Iloco is racing in third, and in fourth comes number 4, and this one is Super Vista. Last 400 meters of the race will be Speak Easy, Link and Ihap. Abel Iloco in second. Moving upon the outside now is Super Vista. Then comes Double Strike as they swing for home is Speak Easy. Abel Iloco is running by the rail with about 100 meters of the race is Speak Easy. Abel Iloco is down on the inside is Speak Easy. Abel Iloco, and finally it's Speak Easy. Abel Iloco, Double Strike, then comes Super Vista.
Crossing the wire first, Speak Easy, ridden by Eminem Gonzalez. Base segundo yung 5, si Abel Iloco, 7 Double Strike, then 4. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 2.